Today we are going to preparation method of ethylamine from a monolysis of alcohols. It is in the last preparation method of ethylamine. According to this method, we also extracted the mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. It is purified by Hinsberg reagent. Then this type of reaction is also known as Hinsberg reaction. So here we completed the last preparation method of amines, named a monolysis of alcohols. It is the last step, last preparation step of amines. In it, we make amines from alcohol. You know that the simple formula of 1 degree alcohol or monohydrate alcohol is ROH. When primary alcohols react with ammonia, the formula of ammonia is NH3, it is also written HNH2. In the presence of aluminum catalyst, formula is Al2O3 and the structure is RNH2. This reaction is completed at near about 360 degrees Celsius temperature. It subtracted water molecule to form RNH2 and plus H2. This type of amines is known as alkylamine. It is also known as primary amines or 1 degree amines. This 1 degree amine means RNH2. It is also represented by RNHH. React with alcohol ROH. The same presence of Al2O3 at exact temperature. It subtracted water molecule to form secondary amines R taken 2 and NH is the category of secondary amines and subtracted water molecule. It is known as dialkyl amide. It is also named secondary amines. Are 2 degree amines. Now third, R को hold taken to NH react with alcohol ROH. The same presence of alumina Al2O3. Then it subtracted water molecule to form tertiary amine R taken 3 and plus H2. It is called trialkyl amine or tertiary amines. And it is also known as 3 degree amine. this reaction is known as the ammonolysis of alcohols, and according to this reaction we find out the mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now we goes on their example for the forming of ethylamine. Now for example, ethanol C2H5OH react with ammonia NH3 in the presence of alumina at 360 degree Celsius temperature. To form ethylamine. And some restricted water. This ethylamine C2H5NH2 also react with the excess quantity of ethanol C2H5OH in the same presence of Al2O3 alumina at 360 degree Celsius temperature and subtracted water molecule. The formula of 2 degree amine is C2H5 का whole taken 2 NH and plus H2. It is known as diethyl amine. It is known as 2 degree. Now third one, C2H5 whole taken 2 NH react with the excess quantity of C2H5OH. The presence of alumina gives tertiary amines and subtracted water molecule. So here C2H5 whole taken 3 N plus H2. It is known as triethylamine or 3 degree amine. So according to this reaction, we make the mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Students, here we completed all formation methods of amines, especially for ethylamines. Now we discussed about the properties of ethylamines. So first we discussed about its physical properties. It is colorless, it is combustible, its physical state is gas, but in cold weather or in less temperature it is liquefied. Its boiling point is 17 degrees Celsius. Its odor is ammonical, and ethylamine is soluble in water, and its solution is known as a basic solution. These are the physical properties of ethylamine. And now we goes on to discussion their chemical properties and their chemical reactions. So chemical properties of ethylamine. First one is a reaction with hydrochloric acid HCl. Ethylamine react with hydrochloric acid HCl to form ethyl ammonium chloride C2H5NH3. This hydrogen atom is conjugated with NH2 to form NH3Cl. It is known as ethyl ammonium chloride. This entity is shown positive charge and Cl is negative. Ethyl ammonium chloride, and it is also known as ethyl amine hydrochloride according to this reaction. Or C2H5NH2 plus HCl to form C2H5NH2 and HCl. It is the additional product of this reaction. It is named ethyl amine hydrochloride. So both reactions are same and products are same. Now another class we take some other chemical reactions, chemical properties, and give their concept, give their chemical reactions mechanism for the properties of chemical properties of ethyl.